Your reaction? It took quite a bit of time for this matter to go to trial, and now it's ended in in guilty verdicts. Your reaction?
Well, that is a simple way to look at it. It went through the system a little slowly. I must say, it started out, I believe, with a preliminary inquiry. Then there was a committal to the circuit court in St. James. Then we had jury issues. You had a defense counsel who passed. You had to get new defense counsel, one of the accused. Then you had COVID intervening, where everything came to a stop for 2.5 years. Then you still had jury issues. And thankfully, when it was transferred to Westmoreland, it was able to start. I had assigned 3 Crown Counsel led by a senior deputy director to do that circuit, and with the instructions that, it has to start. They did their research, they did their preparation. It was quite involved. Technically, it was an involved matter. The 3 charges that we indicted for: misconduct in public office, perverting the course of justice, and manslaughter by virtue of gross negligence in terms of a breach of duty, are not necessarily offenses that are charged and prosecuted that often. So they had to make sure they were right up there with their legal research, and to make sure that we had the evidentiary material to cover the ingredients, and then so explain it, meet all the legal challenges with our research, and so explain it to the judges of the facts, the jurors, that they were able to find in favor of the prosecution.